Okay, so I'm getting ready to add the eggs to make my deep conditioner today. They're done. And then I'm gonna add some deep treatment mask in there and a little bit of apple cider vinegar. That's it. Just a little, because it can be really, really strong, so I don't use a lot. You don't need a lot of apple cider vinegar at all for you to clean your hair. So that's all I'm gonna use, and then I'm gonna take a spoon of conditioner and add a few tablespoons. So you have your cleanser, which is your apple cider vinegar, your protein, and your conditioner all in one. And then I'm going to apply this to my hair along with the oil that's already on my hair. And you can also add the oil to this as well. And for me, I'm a conditioner wash person, co-wash person. So this is all I do to my hair to keep it nice and shiny. And I forgot about the yogurt, so I'm gonna add that key lime pie. I decided to add a little bit more shea butter. I just like to overdo it, so more the better. It's really cold here, so, but it doesn't matter. You know, if you need to deep condition your hair, do what you need to do. And this is what I'm doing. I use this because it's easy to apply, but I changed the top. This is my herbal oil top, but I like the way it comes out, so I can apply it like that. Okay. Oh, okay. Wow. And I'm gonna let it sit for about an hour and then rinse it out. Or I might let it sit overnight. When I come back, you will know. Hour, a few hours. Wow. Okay. This side of my hair is thinner, so I use more to kind of keep this side strong.